I'm Natasha Denona. In this video I want to break down the new gold eyeshadow palette. The gold palette features 14 brand new shades and one existing shade. The inspiration for this palette is kind of funny. First I was thinking about, it's really hard to create gold eyeshadows. They are always either too yellowish or too orangey. So my dream was actually to create a palette that is full of golds and a whole story that is complementing also the gold shades. But the real funny story is that it gave me also the inspo to when you go into the store and then into a makeup store, and then you see all these palettes from all the brands, and all the palettes that have this single gold eyeshadow in the palette, it's always empty. People love gold shades and they're magnetized by them. So I had to create a palette that is gold. In this video, I'm taking the opportunity to explain to you how to use my eyeshadow palettes, especially the gold palette. So there are some basic rules you have to follow. The dark shades are always great on your top or lower lash line, or you can also use it to deepen your crease. You can also use it on your lids if you have hooded eyes and build it up and blend it upwards above the crease. The light shades are always beautiful when you apply it on your center lid for a halo eye, or just all over your lid for a glam look, or if you want to pop your inner corner or to highlight your brow bone. The medium shades are the most versatile ones. They can be applied wherever you want almost. On the center lid and smoke it upwards. You can apply it only on the lash lines, on the top, on the bottom, or both. And you can also use it to blend the dark shades. And now stay tuned, because I'm going to swatch every single eyeshadow and explaining about the formula and finishes. AURUM is a true gold, high shine pressed powder formula. ALCHEMIST is a brownish gold coming in a super metallic pressed powder formula. AURUM is a cool gold which comes in the unique, innovative Natasha Denona cream powder formula. These are again the three golds for comparison: AURUM, ALCHEMIST, and AURUM. Now the last row are all the green undertoned eyeshadows, which are amazingly beautiful in my opinion with gold shades, and are forgotten a little bit, the green shades, so I was so happy to bring these back. Lime Chrome is a duochrome shade which is sheer and is shifting from green to pink and gold. Then we have Python, which is a medium dark matte shade and comes in the cream powder formula, so it's very creamy and easy to blend. Beside it is the AURORA, which is also a deep teal but sparkling and comes also in the creamy powder formula. This is actually a new formula in the palette. It's a creamy crystal formula. DIJON is a medium mustard matte eyeshadow. Then we have the craziest eyeshadow, which is Brass. It's a mirror reflecting eyeshadow that is a duochrome and a little bit sparkling. It shifts from green to gold and bronze. It's just crazy. And then lastly we have the Sandstone, which is a cool bronze sandy shade that also complements the greens and the browns in the palette. First we have TEAK. It's a medium pressed powder matte eyeshadow. Then we have the shade Log, which is actually the IGNIS shade from the Sunset palette, but I changed the name so it will fit more the gold palette. Then we have a crystal eyeshadow which is sheer. It's a gold vanilla shade. It's called Sparks. Then we have the ARIA. ARIA is a transition shade, a pressed powder matte eyeshadow. Next we have CAVA, which is a sparkling sheer eyeshadow, a little bit different from Sparks. Sparks is more a vanilla gold and this one is more kind of a warm nude gold shade. Then we have VARIS, which is a cool wooden brown metallic pressed powder eyeshadow.